Hello everyone, let me show you how to do this assignment. Okay, I'm sharing my screen here, and what you're going to do is at the top, make sure you're using Google. So remember, it looks like this. It's going to look like Chrome right here. Make sure you are using Google Chrome, and then make sure you are also signed in right here, right here, you're signed in with your student's account. Okay, make sure your student's account is here. Okay, so now we're going to go here at the top. I want you to click on type docs.new, press enter, and here you are, an untitled document. This is where you're going to start writing all of your things here, okay? So right here, you're going to type in your first name and your last name. Remember, this is your header. So you're going to type that in here. Do not copy my name. And then press enter. You're going to type in the date. So let's see, whatever the date is going to be when we're doing this assignment. So we're going to go January 8th, 6. Press enter. You're going to type writing number 1. Okay, this is our first writing together. Press enter. Okay, you're going to press enter a couple more times. Okay, and right here, please go to the top here and click on Untitled Document. You're going to click up here, and it's going to say your name, but can you please type writing number 1 and then put your name? Okay. If you could do that, that would be great. Again, do not copy my name, write your name. Okay, so right here, when you start writing, remember it's going to be double space. Make sure it's number 12, okay? So make sure the font size is number 12. If it's not 12, you just have to click here and make sure you choose number 12. And then you're going to go here to line and paragraph spacing, and you're going to click on double because I want this to be double space, okay? Everything below this. So this is your header, and now you're going to start typing your paper here. Everything that you did in class. So my name is Mariah Brown. Please do not copy. And I am from Hawaii. I grew up here in Washington State. And do not press enter because it's automatically going to create the space for you, okay? Do not press enter or do not press return. All right, you're gonna keep on typing this, and then we're going to see what else happens here. So I'm gonna pause. No, it's not the right one. Okay, so let me go back here. Okay, so I wanted to remind you about paragraphs. So when you're finished writing your whole paragraph, come up to the top right here. So put your cursor here and click on tab. And tab is going to shift everything forward and then create a nice little paragraph. So when you make your next paragraph and you're finished here, press enter and then press enter and then click. Actually, it's already tabbed in. So go ahead and type the second paragraph or whatever, or your paragraph. Here it is. Make sure that you click again the tab so I can see that there are 2 paragraphs here. Okay, so that is how you do this assignment. Okay, so now let us go in to submit the assignment after you're done. So open up a tab, go to Canvas, canvas.highline.edu. Make sure you log in. Your login is going to be different from my login. Okay, so let's open Canvas. We'll do this again. We'll open up Canvas, click in our class, and you are going to go into writing about you. Okay, when you are finished here, so you're looking in here to see, let me go into student mode. Just make sure you follow the directions here and use this right here is your rubric. Make sure you use your rubric here and check your work. So you're going to make sure your Google Doc is submitted here. Your paragraph is all about you, not about anything else. You use your capital letters. You have your end punctuation correctly. You've got your subject and verb agreement, and your writing is organized. So there's a beginning, middle, and end. So you need to go back here and just make sure all of your capital letters look good. You're using correct punctuation. Please make sure you put one space between all of the words and then one space after the periods. Also make sure it's double space and you have 2 paragraphs, and I see that there is a your header at the top. Okay? All right. So when everything looks good, then what you're going to do is so you will scroll up back to the top. You're going to click on Start Assignment. And then from here, you're going to click on Google Drive. And then you're going to find your Google Drive document here. And it's going to look like this, okay? And that's where you're going to put it, right here. Because I'm a teacher, it's not going to work. So let me see. Okay, this is the best way I can show you. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Oops. Oh, I know why. Okay, just one second. Okay, let me show you it right here. I hope I'm doing this right here. So you could see this, I hope. Okay, so you are, after you click on the word assignment, Start Assignment, then you click on the Google Drive LTI 1.3, okay? Or Google Drive, any of those is fine. And then you're gonna make sure you see your name, you're signed in. You're going to click on Select a File. After you're done, it'll open up Google Drive. Find yours. So click on the icon and then click on Add. Then it's going to ask you to attach the file. You say Attach. And then you're going to see there is your name, your writing number 1 with your name. And then that's it. You look at the file and then click Submit. And then it might say, are you sure? And just click OK. And then that's it. You submitted it. It'll show you at the very, very top. If you made a mistake and want to do it again, you're going to click on New Attempt. Okay, I hope that's helpful. And I'm looking forward to seeing your work. Okay, good luck. I'll see you later.